free shuttle bus going to the town. They have provided free shuttle bus.
And don't make these seats for big men, do they?
Look at that tower.
Well, if I'd worn it, I would a few days ago, it was all right now. So.
Hour away.
Say this is going to be a whistle stop too, Gary. In, by the magnet back.
So this is the fort.
Madali na lang kasi may stop.
So this is the area, guys, where the bus drop us. Listen here, let's see.
The best view is from that.
So almost closing time. So this is what you can see here in the downtown where the bus drop us. So let's see what to see here. Let's walk around. Join with me, guys, in my walking tour. I'm very sleepy, so I don't talk much. So this is the museum, Alat Kibasaran Diraja Royal Regalia Museum. Museum. Okay, I need to go inside. They accept cash, and I don't have cash. I mean, their own currency. Oh my god, it's hot here. So this place, guys, Brunei, Darussalam is like colonized by the German, and then their religion here mostly, mostly Muslim. So as you can see, we have a mosque. I went inside. Actually, it's a little bit boring here. The tourist attraction is a bit far because this is not our regular cruise. This is not our itinerary. This is just a transit. We just passed by here. Yeah. So okay, let's go back because the last bus is 2 p.m. So we need to go back now. And about 45 minutes drive from here to the port. Plus we need to take another coaster back to the ship. So it's a little bit far, like 1 hour. Yeah, hopefully um, it's not too long to wait for the bus because earlier when we come here, we wait so long for the bus. They don't have the coordination. Yeah. Oh God, I'm so hungry. They say there's a mall here, but nothing. There's no mall here. I see some shops there. I should go that side than here. It's okay. Experience. I'm so hungry. At least I can eat a little bit. I'm very hungry. See you later, guys. I will look for a restaurant or something food to buy to eat. Oh my God, it's far and it's hot. Here's like Middle East, like in Dubai. Very hot. Or Philippines. Yeah, so they speak Malaysian. Mostly Malaysian, they're Muslim also. Depends. Sultan. It's okay? I saw a restaurant here, Burger King.